Welcome back to our channel, friends. This is Sonia here, the design team member of Craftalogger, and today we are going to do mixed media altar art on this glass bottle. So here in our store we have some amazing collection of flowers, and this is one of the bunch which I absolutely loved. So these are really big and has some really nice texture on it. So I have decided to use this. First, I am just twining all the stems of these flowers, and I'll make sure that they are quite big in length so that when I use this on my bottle, it pops out well. Now, I need to stick all these flowers, and I'm going to use my glue gun, and I'll stick one flower at a time, and I'll make sure that I spread this really well so that I can cover maximum area of my glass bottle. Now it's time to play around with the texture, and here I have our granule texture paste, and I am going to have this on my complete bottle. Now I am not going to cover this like on my full bottle. I just want to have a nice textury effect. So with my palette knife I am going to spread this on my complete bottle, and of course I'm going to leave some of the empty areas to create a little more drama. Everything is dried out well, and it's time to use our gesso. So here I have my white gesso. All the supplies what I'm using in this video tutorial are there available in our store. Now with the sponge dauber I'm going to spread my gesso, and of course I will be using paint brushes to take my gesso on the niches, like wherever I have put up the flowers. So this is how it looks after drying, and it looks amazing and it looks beautiful. It's time to play around with the colors. Now here are some of the amazing color stones from our store, and all of these are chalk paints, and I'm going to use these. Now when I started with the color mixing, I thought I will use the nice Indian metallic chalk paint, but then I thought of adding some more colors to it, adding some more twist to it. Now so in this one I'm using my metallic copper color with my army green chalk paint, and later on I also added some of the red color, my black color gesso. And trust me friends, the more colors I was adding, it was looking absolutely amazing. So you just blend in the colors, they look absolutely beautiful. So now with the our chalk paints and even with the gesso, you can create your own nice color blending, and you can make your own colors out of it. Now once I'm happy with my color tone, then I'm going to apply this on my flowers, and I will just make sure that I cover up almost the half areas of my flower, because I am going to play around with some more shades. So once I'm done with my mixed color, then I'm going to have my green color, the army green color chalk paint on my bottle. Now I don't want to cover my bottle completely, and that's the reason I just took my round brush and I'm going to cover it on the neck of my bottle. Now of course I will be adding some of the shades on my flowers here and there, and I'll make sure that I really use this beautiful shade to highlight my bottle. Meanwhile, I'm also going to make some nice color dropping, and for that I have added a bit of water to my chalk paint, and I'm using with the same brush. I am just spreading a little more liquidy paint so that it looks like it is flowing out. And trust me friends, even while I'm making this, I'm absolutely in love with this piece of art. Now at last here again I'm going to have my Indian copper metallic color, and this is just to highlight my flowers. They are looking absolutely beautiful, and here you can see that how this shiny color is looking, and I'm just adding a bit of drop of water to this so that I can just spread it a little more. And of course this is really adding a very nice highlight to my project. With this, our video tutorial is done. We really hope that you will enjoy this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.